institutions which at your network.
Okay, so before answering this question, I would like to share a small incident which has happened with me. One of the students from India, he completed the MSc Mathematics. He came to South Africa and he said, I would like to teach mathematics. He started with 20 students. And over a period of time, that means after 6 months, I met him once again. Then he changed the board. So there is a yoga class, no mathematics. He was not teaching mathematics. So yoga class started. I really surprised what happened to you. You came and you started with the intention of teaching mathematics to the students, all engineering students. Then he told me one thing. It's good thing to teach yoga, making everybody life happy, rather than teaching mathematics, making everybody life miserable. I really surprised. Such a wonderful thing. He has only 20 to 30 students in the beginning when he started for mathematics. Then after that, when I see almost 300 students for yoga. So there is a worldwide demand and worldwide requirement is there. Any country you name, there is a demand. But unfortunately, in our university, as you rightly asked the question, we have not started so far because I took a VC charge in the 2021. So till that only, so campus setup, establishing different academics,